Good day, everyone. Welcome to Computer Fundamentals. I am going to talk about guide in buying a computer. After this video, you will be able to evaluate factors to consider in buying a computer and list the specified parts that will guide us in choosing one. Computer has become very important nowadays because it is very much accurate, fast, and can accomplish many tasks easily. Moreover, it can store huge amount of data in it. Whether you want a laptop or a desktop, the following factors could help guide you in your choice. Brand. For a lot of people, brand really matters, and for a good reason. Some brands are straight away winners, while others are not so much. If you are the type of user who takes pride in the brand of your gadgets, or who believes some brands are simply superior to the competition, this should be your priority. Bulkiness. Size is often the second thing most users consider when buying computers, especially laptops. Some may like their monitor large for viewing pleasure, while others may prioritize portability by choosing smaller ones. Desktop users may pick bulkier casings to allow better ventilation, while some may want to save space by getting a smaller tower. If you are constantly on the go, picking a laptop with a smaller screen may be a wise choice. Price. Of course, price matters. Even if you know exactly what you need, but if such a rig costs way too over budget, you will obviously settle for a much less pricier one. Again, price must be considered if you don't have enough resources to pay for expensive ones. Usability. Most home users usually buy computers to be used mainly for browsing and light office and school tasks. If you are this type, then you should avoid sales pitches that touts performance. In a lot of cases, salespeople in stores will offer the more expensive computers first by highlighting amazing specifications of video cards, processors, and hard drive capacity. Unless you want to do graphics-heavy tasks like video editing, gaming, 3D professional works, and such, you must avoid expensive rigs. Operating system. Most of the time, Windows operating system is sold in different types, with the more expensive editions usually offering more features. For example, Microsoft's Windows 10 operating system is being offered in 4 different editions: Home, Pro, Enterprise, and Education. Some stores will usually ask a customer what Windows operating system to install on their machine, so make sure that you do your research ahead of time. Peripherals. If you're looking forward to connecting to watching DVDs in your laptop, for example, make sure that you consider your machine has a built-in DVD reader or optical drive in it. Keep in mind that the more peripherals a machine can handle, the bulkier and more expensive it may get. If you can live without installing something on your laptop via an optical drive, it may be a great option for you to simply skip it to avail of a thinner and a cheaper model. Hard drive capacity and speed. Having to decide whether to get a 500 gigabytes or 1 terabyte hard disk drive is often beyond an average user, but we suggest that you consider it still, especially if you're planning on saving a lot of photos or videos later on. Of course, the bigger the hard drive capacity is, the better, but you must also be mindful of the cost. Processor. Like the hard disk, many average users tend to leave processor choice to whatever unit they happen to like after considering the things above. A processor is a critical computer component that can often make a rig's performance enjoyable or annoying. For cheaper PCs sporting low-end processors, doing light tasks as internet browsing may be okay, but once a user starts loading multiple apps simultaneously, performance may begin to suffer. The general rule in picking up a processor is to stay in the middle, not too cheap but not too expensive as well.
Random access memory or RAM. Like in picking a processor, especially if you can afford it, the more RAM you can get, the better. RAM matters for users that regularly run games and other applications at the same time. If you are fond of multitasking or jumping between applications, more RAM can offer a smoother performance. In most light tasks though, basic RAM may be enough.
Warranty. Although almost all brand new purchases of computers are provided a warranty, some brands may have better offers over their rivals. The usual warranty, of course, is 1 year from the date of purchase, but many stores can usually extend the standard manufacturer warranty up to several years if you are willing to pay for it. Some warranty terms can be worded in vague manner, so make sure to understand them before paying. So, those are the guides in buying a computer. Are you learning? I hope you are. This has been Sabina Visaya Kanda. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day everyone.